Hello everyone, my name is Amaikechuku and welcome to today's tutorial. In this video today, I'll be showing you algebraic notation. Algebraic notation is a way in which chess players read and write moves. Each move is an abbreviation of the piece that will move, followed by the destination square of that space. The names of the square are a letter number combination. The way you read a chessboard is the same way you read the coordinates on a map. Now take a look at the example on the screen right now. I have the chessboard displayed. So how do we apply algebraic notation? Each square of the chessboard has a name. So let's mark this square and look for the name. The name of this square will be called E4. That's right, E4. Placing the alphabet before the number. Another example will be this square, for example. What is the name of this square? This square will be called C7. So all I did was identifying the alphabet, which is C, and also the number connected to it. The same thing with this particular one, E from the alphabet on the horizontal, and 4 from the vertical number. Okay, thank you for watching this particular video. If you have learned something, please subscribe to my channel and like this video. Try to solve this and drop your solution in the comment section box. What is the name of this square? And also, what is the name of this particular square? Thank you and have a wonderful day.